Hi everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful morning. It's Saturday and I'm wanting to show you this beautiful heirloom kit. So you might have seen the unboxing that I just posted. This is just a quick look at the cards that I've made, and then I'll post again. I'll do another live showing you a bit more detail about what I've actually done differently with the cards. So first of all, I just wanted to show you this card first. So I've actually done nothing except how the picture shows it in the instructions. So I've copied it exactly, done nothing extra to it at all, and it looks beautiful. But then I thought, I want to just add a little bit more vintage look. So this card, which is this card here, I've just edged using the little ink dot that it comes with. So that's those two cards. So these two cards are completely made with the stuff in the kit, but then I wanted to go rogue. So the rogue cards are these ones here. So what I'll do is I'll compare them. I'll show you the comparison. So that's this one here. So I've mainly kept it the same, except I've just turned the butterfly in a different direction, and I've added some pearls to the body of the card. So you can see it just makes a difference by just edging it, blending it with brown. So this, I've used the blending brush rather than the actual ink dot. It just gives you a smoother finish. Then this one is this one here. So that one there. So again, I've done some blending. So pink and brown. That's that one. Then this one, I've gone completely rogue. So what I've done is I've taken the base of this card here. So I've cut this card base down and I've created this whole new card. I'll go into more detail in the next video. This little one is this one here. So you can see I've swapped the butterflies out. Sort of for the positioning, I wanted to bring the butterfly down to here. So rather than using the yellow one, I've swapped the yellow one out for pink. Then this one here is, oh, where's that one? I can't even see it. Oh, is this one here. So this was a landscape one, and I've turned it into a more portrait one. And again, that's where I've used the yellow butterfly and swapped it out. This one here is this one here. So you can see I've used the other half and then just loaded it onto a white card. And then the last one is, which one's this one? Can't even tell. Is this one here. So again, I've just added some stamping in. So that's that. Then I wanted to just quickly show you the leftovers. So these are all the leftovers. So I've only used, when it says to use a whole piece of dimensionals, I've found I only needed to use a half piece. So even if I used a whole piece, I'd still have a ton left over. This is the little blue strip left over from cutting down the card base. Heaps of like little sentiment plates. So, you know, if you make a mistake, there's still more there. Then all these die cuts are left over. So you can make more cards with the extra die cuts. And I've used all the die cuts that it suggests. So these are genuinely leftovers. Now, the thing that I've used too is that you can make your own templates out of the leftover pieces, and I'll go into a bit more detail in the next video. More leftovers. The little inside piece of the frame, again, you could easily use that. It's got, you know, printing on the outside. You could use that to stamp a little verse on or a bigger sentiment. Again, you can use these to create your own little templates. More templates that you could create from the leftovers. And you've got some lovely vellum leftovers as well. Again, you've got your stamp, your ink dot. So what you could do is you could just buy a refill to continue, though there's still plenty of ink on there, but you could buy a re-inker to re-ink it once it goes dry. And there's even a bit of tape left over, and I'm usually pretty generous with the tape. So, and I remember I created one extra card as well. So that's it. So it's a very good value kit that you can follow the instructions directly. It's got pictures. It's got sort of more detailed instructions for 3 of the cards, and just inspiration photos for the other 5 cards. So, and then you can just go rogue like I have. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Happy Saturday, and hope you have some time to do a bit of craft. Let me know if you've got any questions about anything, and I'll see you in the next little video. Okay, bye.